Well, there does seem to be more positive news and positive price movement coming for Terra Luna Classic. I'm even seeing all of those people that stopped covering it coming back out, which could only mean one thing. That's good news for Terra Luna Classic. I'm going to break down a few key points in this video, as well as a pretty big deal just landing right now for Terra Luna Classic. So if you're still bullish on this project, be sure to subscribe to this channel. We've been keeping you up to date with everything going on with the cryptocurrency space, as well as Terra Luna Classic, and smash a like on it. Let's see the Lunk army come out. 200 likes. If you knew that on this video, drop a comment down below why you're still bullish on Terra Luna Classic. And with that being said, let's dive straight into the global market. Now, we know Coinbase, Binance, even right now, Crypto.com is under attack from the SEC and are stopping both fiat withdrawals and deposits on their exchanges. However, the global market sits 0.73, just at 1.1 trillion, with the Bitcoin at $26,490. You've just come off my live stream. It does look like we could see some positive price movement up in the cryptocurrency space. But when we take a look at the rest of the market, in particular, as we come down this list and we see here the 67th highest ranked cryptocurrency out there right now, Terra Luna Classic, sitting at 9982, is hovering between gaining and losing that zero. And you can see here in the last 24 hours, how much do we just kind of pump above it, then come back down, then move above it, then come back down. Some real volatility right now, but our volume 75.9 million, 76 million there or thereabouts, market cap 583 million. So what is the news when it comes to Terra Luna Classic? Well, we've got a couple of pretty big announcements. We know version 2.1 has been passed with flying colors, and equally we now step towards the parity and the version 2 upgrade, which comes with that USTC testnet, which is going to be huge. You can also see the Tendermint upgrade to revive the Axler IBC client, which is just another part of that ecosystem, of the Cosmos ecosystem, that we again get access to, which once again I think is a definite sentiment in the right direction, and it unlocks once again another ecosystem and more decentralized applications, and equally another community in which we can link in for Terra Luna Classic. So again, some good news for us. And equally, we step ever nearer to a key milestone right now for Terra Luna Classic, which is head up to 1 trillion Terra Luna Classic stake. We currently sit, according to StakeBin, at 998,231, so 998 billion, and we gained another 336 million Terra Luna Classic, about 14.5. But remember, these come out of the circulating supply of Terra Luna Classic. Now, Vegas Morph did tweet this earlier on, saying that we did actually take out 1 trillion coins from the supply there. Now, this will obviously fluctuate depending on what people do. This gives us the most up-to-date number here, but yeah, we are absolutely heading on up to that milestone of 1 trillion Luna Classic removed from the circulating supply and put into the staking portfolio, which I think is it's good. And equally, you got to understand what that is. People staking the Terra Luna Classic. Remember, it's a 21-day vesting period to take it back out. People long-term greedy when it comes to Terra Luna Classic, which I think is a great thing. So what is coming down the line? Well, we've got parity coming. We also have the USTC testnet, and like we say here, Terra Luna Classic price prediction as Lunk becomes the best performing coin of the week. Can Terra Luna Classic truly hit $1 in 2023? Now, I'm just going to state my opinion, and I say this on the live stream. It is incredibly unlikely that we will see Terra Luna Classic, if not almost impossible, to see a Terra Luna Classic $1 within the next 6 months. I just don't think it's feasible. We would have to get some absolutely unbelievable market moves. The USTC respeg would have to be phenomenal in terms of burning supply. Doesn't mean it's not impossible, but it says Lunk indications continue to point forward further gains, with its relative strength indicator recovering from a slight dip earlier in the week. In other words, Lunk still has good momentum and is signaled by its 30-day moving average in yellow here on this chart, as well as the continuing and to ascend further on the 200-day moving average. Now, we can see these both on the 2-hour chart. We have the 7-day EMA, the 20 EMA, both looking incredibly bullish for Lunk, and then the 50 and the 200 all going exactly where we expect them to. This really nice trend line. The volume isn't quite where we want to be. We want to see some more volume, because volume equals burns. But you take a look at the rest of the cryptocurrency market, and actually to be in green in the 24-hour is a definite good sign, holding on to that zero for Lunk. But look, if we continue this upward trend, for me, it's definitely a good thing. Now, 5 days is what we've got until we see parity. This could be a buy the rumor, sell the news opportunity, so do be mindful of that. But I do think at the same time, we're definitely going to see some continuation up in price. It says such rising suggests that more buying demand is entering Lunk's market, while the positive price picture is also helped by the coin's rising support level, which reveals it's consolidating around even higher bottoms. And I think that is important that we actually move the floor price up as people become more and more bullish on Lunar Classic. It says, given the wider market remains in a precarious state at the moment because of the SEC's recent enforcement actions, there remains a possibility that LUNC could end up dipping again in the coming days or weeks. However, when looking at the coin itself, it's likely due some of the more rallies given it's oversold it has been in the past few months. There is opportunity to see Terra Lunar Classic once again start to push up on this chart as more volume comes in, and then at the same time that 0.5% burn tax and the continuation of the Binance burns, we definitely could see some pretty strong price movement for Terra Lunar Classic. Will, as ever, bring you the latest that's going on with it. There's lots to come. Feels like there's a ton coming down the pipeline with it. Axler IBC upgrade, parity, as well as that trillion coins removed from circulating supply. Absolutely fantastic to see for Terra Lunar Classic, and it's been a while since we've had some real positive news for the Lunar Classic community. So as ever, if you are super bullish on this, you want to wait and see what happens with parity, be sure to subscribe to the channel. We'll bring you all the latest, as well as turn the notification bell on so you know when we go live or upload our latest content. And again, we'd love to have you to be part of this community. So do me a favor, smash the like button. Let me know in the comments down below why you're still bullish on the Lunar Classic. As ever, thank you so much. I'll see you on the next one. Take care now. Bye-bye.